Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable the Coinbase wallet sync on Blockfolio 2.2. With Blockfolio 2.2, you're able to connect your Coinbase API to the app. It's pretty simple. The first thing you're going to want to do is sign into your Coinbase desktop account. Once you've logged in, you'll click Settings, API Access, and click New API Key. You'll want to put in your two-step verification using your authentication app. Select the Coinbase wallet accounts you'd like to sync. I'm going to go ahead and sync all of mine. Then you'll want to select these options under the API v2 permissions to make this a read-only API. First, we'll select Wallet Accounts Read. We'll also select Wallet Buys Read, Wallet Payment Methods Read, Wallet Sales Read, and Wallet Transactions Read. Once you're done, click Create. This is going to give you an API key and an API secret that you'll want to copy and place in your Blockfolio app. So let's switch over to the app now. Once your app is open, click the white plus sign at the bottom of the app, then click Add Exchange Connection. Then scroll down, find Coinbase, and input your API key and API secret that you recently generated. Once you've added your key and secret, tap the Add Connection button, follow the prompts, and notice that Blockfolio will then be loading the API into the app. You can see in the list that now Coinbase has been added, and then once you go to your main portfolio screen, it'll take a minute, but it'll say Establishing Exchange Connection. You'll then see a prompt at the top that the Coinbase transactions have been added, and they'll populate in your portfolio list. And it's simple as that. Now your API is connected. If you like what you saw in this video and you're a Brave browser user along with millions of other people, go ahead and show your support by considering a donation to this channel using the Basic Attention token. Simply click on the Basic Attention token icon and click Send a Tip, and you're able to send a tip amount to this channel. That would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.